Hi, welcome to the shed, and today we're going to learn about beat map reading. So this is a beat map, and right here we have the instrument that is being performed. Now it can be one instrument, it could be two, it can be three, it could be a whole bunch, but it can be either a MIDI instrument, it could be a sample, or it could be, in this case, a clap. And right here we have the subdivision. Now this is eighth note subdivision. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and it gives us a place where events can occur. If there is an X in a space, that is an attack. So like on beat 1, we would clap. Now if there is no X, or if there's nothing there, that is a rest, so that is silence. So on the end of beat 2 right there, we are not going to play anything, we're not going to clap, there is no event. So the first step when you're reading a new beat map is to analyze it, to find out where the attacks and the rests are. So on beat 1, we have an attack. On the end of beat 1, we have a rest. There's nothing there. On beat 2, we have an attack. On the end of beat 2, we have a rest. On beat 3, we have an attack. On the end of beat 3, and another attack. And then on beat 4, we have another attack. The end of beat 4 is a rest. Once you've figured out where all of the attacks and the rests are, it's time to count and clap this without time. Even if we're not clapping, even if this is just a drum rhythm, it's still important to be able to understand the relationship of where the attacks and the rests are, so I highly recommend counting and clapping this. So we're going to do this without time. That means we're not going to keep a steady beat, but we are still going to count and clap it. So here's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Once you can properly count and clap that without time, it's time to start adding in a steady beat. So now let's count and clap this with time. We're going to do this at 60 beats per minute, and we're going to start with a count off. So here's our count off. 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good job. Now let's bump up the tempo twice as fast. This is 120 beats per minute, so the count off is going to be faster too. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. One more time. All right, awesome job. If you follow those steps, you can read any beat map, you can understand any rhythm. Good luck, and we'll see you in the shed.